Alright, today I'm going to be introducing you to a web programming language which is HTML. Okay, now what is HTML? HTML is an hypertext markup language, okay, that is used to create a web document. It is an hypertext markup language used to create a web document. You can also perform it on system, and you can also do the tasks using your smartphone. Okay, now in HTML, when you are working on HTML, you must save it like this: index.html.html. okay, this is how to do your savings if you are using your phone. Okay, you must save it like this: html dot something. Okay, or you save it starlucky.html. okay, so that's how they do the saving. Now don't forget, we say this program is used to design to create a web document. So let's get started. Now when you are starting HTML, you start like this: HTML. okay, alright, now header, you must put the head. Okay, see my head now, so I have to put the head. Okay, now what is the head I want to put? Then I come down here again, h1. What is the meaning of h1? H1 has to do with the size. Okay, star lucky, so I'm going to write star lucky, sorry, so I have to close it. Okay, so I'm going to write star lucky media concept. Okay, so don't forget, I say the h1 means the size of the text, how the text is going to appear on the page. Okay, so now let me close it. Okay, so this is what we have. Okay, now let's run. Very good. Can you see now? Star lucky media concept. Can you see that it's very bigger? Okay, so that's it. Now if I come here now and I reduce the size of I want to reduce the text, I don't want it to be bigger. Okay, so I can put h4. I come here again and then I change, I write h4 here. Okay, h4. Now let's run it and see. Can you see that the text become smaller? Okay, so this is how we can use them. So all this is known as what? Is known as tag. Okay, now let's go back to it again. Look at it. Let me turn it back to become big. So the higher the number, the smaller the text. Okay, so once I put h1, okay, the text become more bigger. h1. Okay, now let me run it again. Can you see that the text is now more bigger? Okay, so this is how it works. Another thing I want to do here is I want this star lucky media to come to the middle. It's at the left hand side, so let's bring it to the middle. Let's go back to our back end. So I'm going to come to this place. Okay, so the tag for it is center. Okay, do you see that? So I'll come here again, then I'll write my center. Okay, then don't forget your slash, then I close it. Okay, now let's run it and see what we have. Very good. Can you see we've gotten it? Can you see it came to the middle, isn't it? So that's the tag for it. Alright, so this is how we use HTML. Don't forget to subscribe and like, comment on my YouTube channels, as I'll be bringing you more examples, more packages on becoming a computer literate in 21st century. Thank you for listening. God bless you.